wake up in the morning and brush my teeth with Heineken beer. It's antibacterial and really good for you. Lekker biertje, man. For breakfast, I eat Gouda cheese. It's pronounced Gouda.
Hey, yo, chill.
Whatever. Lekker, man. It's moving day. And I move on my 10-ways e-bike because it saves the environment and it keeps you skinny. Ik zeg hallo tegen mijn buren.
Hallo!
Then I cycle to the lowest hill I can find to feel connected to my home country. Nog lang niet zo mooi als Nederland, maar oké. Then I cycle to pick up some tulips. Heerlijk. Then I say to everyone,
Neuken in de keuken?
it means networking. Then I fall asleep with my boyfriend. I love him so dearly. Welterusten. Doei! En dat was mijn dag.